What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before we get into this one, like I ask on every single video for every single person watching, please can you like, comment, share, subscribe. I've seen the likes, comments and all that stuff go up a bit more, which appreciate it a lot. Come on, man, more views, likes, comments, shares, let's get it all up. 3,000 has been hit, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, all of that. But yeah, enough of me waffling. Let's just get straight into this one. When I saw these, I thought, nah, these are horrendous. Like, they're not nice one bit. I had no plans of buying them. I got them very cheap, so around £45 or less. So I thought, why not? So it's the Air Max Motif. The box is the new, I don't know how new it is, it's been a year or two. So the move to zero, what Nike's trying to do. Say move to zero, this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. I really don't like this box, to be honest, but that's just me. And then we got the label, which is actually peeling off. That's lovely. So it's got the name Air Max Motif. The colorway is Proton Dust Black Grey Fog. US 10.5, UK 9.5, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5, and Euro 44.5. I just went true to my Air Max size, and I think they fit slightly snug, but they're alright. So move to zero, no tissue paper, as we know, which it just is a bit plain, is boring. I prefer a bit of tissue paper, unwrap, whatever. And here they are. So this is actually like a super delayed review. I've seen others review it before. I literally had no plans of buying these. They just reminded me of a bootleg Air Max ones, with like a 270 type of sole, Air Max 200 sole type of thing. They're just a bit odd. The back is a bit more out. It's just, it's different, but put them on foot, comfortable, so I do like them. For £46 or less, whatever. Why not? Good shoe. It is actually quite comfortable. I was surprised by that because, the Air Max 1 is not the most comfortable. And even this is only got the bubble in the back, no bubble in the front, but it's still quite comfortable. So that's why it gives me 270 vibes, because of the way the back is. The 270 is kind of like that, not the same but similar. We've got a bit of black. It does have like speckles in it and stuff. That's because of the recycled business. And then it's got the clear-ish midsole, like a blue tint on it. It's actually less blue tint, just more clearish, not gonna lie, on this pair. I've seen more with like a slightly more bluey tint, but this one's actually more clear. That does yellow and stuff, so I don't know. Then obviously it's got the yellow bits, recycled bits. It does say air in that little funny thing that Nike does. The back is kind of like a cotton canvas type material. I didn't really expect that on these, to be honest. And then the front as well, so what the Air Max 1 is known for, this like kind of mudguard with the pattern or toe wrap around, whatever you call it. It's late right now. But yeah, that's also the type of canvas material. Then we do have a felt here, which, you know, the choice of material is quite odd for me. So it's got like canvas, felt, and it's got like plastic. That's not 3M, unfortunately. I wish it was. They kind of missed out on making those 3M. On the back it says Air Max in that, again, funny type of logo, whatever they do. And that's obviously embroidered in, stitched in. Laces, these laces are slightly different to normal laces. They're a bit more like stiff. I don't really mind them. I prefer the kind of stiffer ones as well. That sounded weird, but yeah. Then we've got a toe box. It's not mesh. It's not a mesh toe box, but it's got that kind of, I don't want to say mesh look, kind of like a mesh look, but it's not mesh. It's more a plasticky type material. A bit of ASMR for you. But yeah, I don't really know if I really like them that much. They'll always kind of look like a bootleg Air Max 1 to me. Definitely prefer, you know, the Air Max 1, but even then, for comfort, I don't really like them, so these are better. I did a few Googles and I saw so many colorways in these for kids, and there was like all black, and I literally said if there was all black in adults, they'll be way better. Like, they'll be quite comfortable. It could be a good gym shoe. Haven't seen no other colorway apart from these in adults, so I think maybe they just release, like, you know, like a kids only type of thing. I don't know why, but, you know, probably catered to the kids. And those colorways are quite nice. Like, I've seen some black and white, I've seen like a royal one, so, you know, royal blue. All of those colorways 10 times better than this one, to be honest. But yeah, I don't really have much more to say. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few seconds, you'll see the on foot. And as always, take care, people.